Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit special. We are going to be changing the exhaust pipe on my car. As you can see, this is the stock original exhaust that came with the car. So before we do that, I'm going to just give you some clips of the sound that it makes and give you a kind of visual look over as well. So guys, I'm now riding in my WRX with the new ANTSPEC version 2 Catback Exhaust finally installed. It is a great exhaust, guys. You gotta check it out. It has a really nice low tone, and at certain revs, you might even hear a nice little gargle sound towards the tail end of that rev. It doesn't sound quite like a crackle or a pop, but it does make a whole lot of difference, and it makes your exhaust sound a lot more aggressive than your stock one. I look forward to actually installing a J pipe or a down pipe as well, just to make it a little bit louder down the line. But for what it is right now, I absolutely love it. Some things to look forward in the future is possibly a new cob intake, just to give it that nice turbo sound. I might also look into some new wheels as well too. So guys, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what I should do next. Is it the wheels, or should I do an intake? More cosmetic stuff? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you like what you're seeing today, go ahead and press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and it'll help a lot with the algorithm for YouTube as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.